So hi friends, this is Amit and you are watching my channel Information and Educational Video. So in this video, I will talk about Josaa Counseling 2021. That is all process step by step I will provide you here. So after watching this video, you will not have any type of doubt regarding the Josaa Counseling 2021. So here I will also talk about the freeze, float and sliding options, the meaning of freeze option, float and sliding, and whether you should go with freeze, float or sliding after each round. So all those things I will discuss in this video, and I will also provide you information regarding the reservation and that you have to pay during this counseling, and what is the refund policy if you don't want to take admission after getting the seat. And I will also talk about the seat conversion rule. If a reserved seat will be vacant, then what will be happen to those seats. So all those things I will provide you in this video, and I will also provide the detailed schedule of the counseling that you need to follow very carefully in order to do the counseling smoothly. And I will also provide you the information how you need to do online reporting and what is the mock allotment. So all those things in this video I will provide you. So if you are first to my channel, please try to subscribe the channel so that you will get all the update regarding Josaa counseling and other counseling, other entrance exam also in this channel only. So before going forward for this video, I would like to inform you that very soon I will provide a detailed video similar to this video for PWD candidates. So that I will provide all the detail regarding the PWD student. So if you are a PWD student, please try to subscribe this channel so that you will get that video very soon in this channel only, because I am regularly providing the information for all the category including PWD student as well. And one more very important information, that is if you need counseling guidance for this Josaa counseling or any other counseling such as JAC Delhi, JAC Chandigarh, UPTU, KCET, Comedk, you can contact me through Instagram or WhatsApp number available in the description box. Once you register with me, I will guide you for everything from now till your admission is done. That is branch selection, college selection, what are the decision you have to take after each round in all the counseling, not only one. And after getting so many colleges in all the counseling, whether you should go with this college or that college, whether you should go with CS branch or any other branches, so that you can get into the right college, and that will be possible only when you contact me separately, because there can't be a general counseling for all the student, as different student have different type of expectation, different type of rank and different type of family background and personal interest also. So it needs a detailed discussion. If you want, you can contact me anytime through Instagram and WhatsApp number available in the description box. So let's start this video. So here is the steps of the counseling. So first of all, I will provide you the step that you need to follow in order to do this counseling smoothly from now till your admission is done. That is, first thing is scheduling is the most important thing. So here you can check the schedule that I have provided sidewise. That is starting from 16, the registration will be done and it will be continued till 25th of the October, and 27th of the October you will get the first round allotment. In the same manner you will get the second allotment, third, fourth, fifth and sixth, and the counseling will continue till 20th of the November. You can check the detailed schedule sidewise I have provided here. So the next step is the registration that you will be able to do from 16 to 25. So it is compulsory to do the registration now, because once you not register for the counseling, you will not be able to be a part of this counseling process, that is Josaa counseling, even if you have got good rank or bad rank, no matter. So next step will be the choice filling. So this is the most important step of whole counseling process, because here the student do the mistake in choosing the best college or best branch, and different student have different type of expectation, different type of rank. So every student needs to do it carefully, and in the brochure also you can see they have clearly mentioned do your counseling very carefully. So I would advise you, if you not have any type of experience, try to take the help of any experienced person. If you don't have, you can contact me through Instagram or WhatsApp number. Once you register with me, I will guide you for everything, not only choice filling, but after first round what type of decision you have to make in all the counseling that you will do this year in order to get the best out of your rank. So if you want, you can contact me through Instagram and WhatsApp number available in the description box. So next step of the counseling will be seat allotment. Once you do the choice filling, then you will get the round 1, round 2 and round 3 all the way until round 6. Each round you will get the seat allotment, and next step will be fee payment. Once you get the seat, you have to pay the fee payment. That I will talk later how much fee you have to pay if you are from reserve category or a general student. So next will be decision making. So after you pay the fee, you have to make the decision, that is freeze, float and sliding, that I will talk later in this video what is the meaning of those terms. So next is online reporting. Once you make the decision, you have to do the online reporting. For online reporting, you don't need to go anywhere. You can do it from your home or from a cyber cafe, and once you contact me, I will try to guide for this also, because this is also an important thing. Once you fail in this process, you might be out of the counseling process. So this is very important to do the online reporting, and what are the document required I have already provided in my previous video. You can check the sidewise. I have provided the document that you need to have for this complete counseling, that is registration and online reporting. So next step will be withdrawal or refund. If you don't want to take admission in the admitted seat, or you haven't got any type of seat till now, you can withdraw from the counseling. Or if you have got the seat and paid the fee, then also you can withdraw from the counseling process and you will get the refund. And very soon I will provide you a separate video in which I will talk about how you can get the refund and how you need to apply for that. So this is about the steps of the counseling. So now let's talk about the reservation, refund and fee that you need to pay. So here is the information regarding that. OBC have 27% reservation, SC 15%, ST 7.5 and PWD 5%. And one more thing, that is all IIT will have at least 20% female seat. That means in each IIT the 20% seat in each branch will be filled through the female candidate. So next is seat conversion rule for NIT, IIIT and GFTI is that suppose the CRL PWD seat will be vacant, then that will be considered for the CRL category student, and all the respective PWD seat will be considered for the respective category, such as OBC PWD will go to OBC seat and the student will get that seat after each round. So after each round this type of conversion will be done in NIT, IIIT and GFTI college, and if the EWS and OBC seat will be vacant, then that will be goes to CRL seat, and other category also, if any seat will be vacant, then that category seat will be go to CRL seat. So next is seat conversion rule for IIT. So in IIT, if PWD seat, SC/ST seat will be vacant, then that seat will be goes to the preparatory courses seat. If a general EWS and OBC seat will be vacant, then that will be considered for the CRL rank. So these are the information regarding the seat conversion rule. So try to listen it very carefully. So now if you talk about the fee, so for the registration of this counseling or choice filling, you don't need to pay any type of fee. But after you get the seat, you will have to pay 15,000 for all the reserved student, that is OBC, EWS, SC, ST, PWD candidate. But if you are a general candidate, then it will be 35,000, and it will include 2,000, that is the counseling processing fee. If you will not pay, then you will be out of the counseling and you will not be a part of the counseling process from the next round. So next is refund policy. So once you pay the fee and don't want to take admission, then you can apply for the refund policy, as I told you previously, and I will provide you a separate video regarding that, how you can apply for that. But you will get the refund by deducting those 2,000, that is the processing fee, and remaining you will get, that is 13,000 or 33,000 depending on your category. So next is reservation cancellation. So suppose you get the seat, you are doing the online document verification, and if you will not able to provide the required certificate, then your reservation will be cancelled, and from next around you will be considered as a general candidate, or the whatever certificate you will provide, that will be required, that will be applicable from next round, and you will be considered as that category from next round, and you will get the seat according to that. So next, if you talk about steps and conditions, this is a very important part of this video, so please try to listen it very carefully, so that you won't have to regret later after doing a mistake. So here is the information. First thing is registration. In many other counseling, you will able to register for the counseling after first round, second round, also in case of UPTU, Manipal and Amrita also. But here you have to do the registration, that is only one time, that is between 16th to 25th of the October. Once you miss this, you will miss the whole counseling process. And one more thing, that is related to the correction of your application, that is you will able to correct your home state. If you have mistakenly provided the wrong home state in your application, then now you can change, but you will not able to change your name, father's name, mother's name. All those things will be same as it was in the JEE Mains application form. So next is correction in choices. So there will be no correction in choices after the 25th of the October, because once you lock the choices, that will be considered for all the round of counseling, it is 6th round. So it is very advisable to take the help of any experienced person. Once you do any type of mistake here, you might have to regret later, because no one can do anything, because you will not able to change the choices that you have locked during this time. So it is very advisable to take the help of any experienced person. If you don't have, I am here to help you in everything, starting from now till your admission is done. If you want, you can contact me through Instagram or WhatsApp number available in the description box. So next is, if we not pay seat acceptance fee, once you not pay the fee, you will be out of the counseling and your seat will be lost. So what is freeze option? So after getting the seat, if you are fully satisfied with the seat and you don't want to go for the next round and you just want to take the admission in the allotted seat that you have got, then you should pay the fee and choose the freeze option, and you have to do the online reporting and your admission and counseling is done. So next option is, what is sliding option? So suppose if you have got mechanical in a particular NIT and you want CS or EC in that NIT itself, you don't want to go in any other NIT, then you should choose the sliding option. You will get the better branch in that NIT itself in the next round. So next is, what is float option? This is a very common option. Suppose you have got 20 number option from your choice filling, then you are looking for 19, 18, 17 in any NIT, whatever possible for you. So once you choose this option and you will get any type of seat in the next round, then your previous seat will be cancelled. So it is very important to do this type of thing very carefully. Once you do wrong choice filling, then ultimately you will get the wrong college in the subsequent round if you do the float option. All those things to be done very carefully, because once you do any type of mistake in anything, you might lose your deserving seat and it will lose your 2 years of hard work, because it is ultimately the counseling that will provide you the seat. Of course you have done the 2 years of hard work and your parents is ready to pay the fee, but it will be the counseling that will provide you the seat. So next is, if we miss online reporting, then also you will be out of the counseling. So you can't miss anything. So the first and foremost thing of this counseling is, you need to take care of the schedule very carefully so that you can do your counseling smoothly. So this is all about the Josaa counseling steps and condition, reservation and refund policy and the fee structure. So all those things I have provided in this video. So if you have any more question after watching this video, you can comment down. But if you need the counseling guidance, then only contact me through Instagram and WhatsApp number, because for that you have to register with me. So thanks again for watching this video. Please try to subscribe this channel so that you will get this type of video regarding Josaa and other entrance, other counseling also in the future days.